Dear students, today I am starting exercise 3.6. Question number 1, first part. Two equations are given. 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. To solve these equations, we will consider that 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Now the equation will become 1 by 2u, 1 by 2u plus 1 by 3v is equal to 2. 1 by 2u plus 1 by 3v is equal to 2. Similarly, the second equation we get 1 by 3u plus 1 by 2v is equal to 13 by 6. Now I am solving these two equations by elimination method, multiplying the first equation by 1 by 3 and the second equation by 1 by 2 so that we get the same values of u. From here, on multiplying this full equation by 1 by 3, we get 1 by 6u plus 1 by 9v is equal to 2 by 3. And here we get 1 by 6u plus 1 by 4v is equal to 13 by 12. Now by subtracting, changing the signs, we are eliminating u, and by solving 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4 into v, because v was common here, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 4 into v is equal to 2 by 13 minus 13 by 12. Now we will solve these two equations by taking the LCM. 9 4 the 36, 4 minus 9 into v, and here the LCM is 12, 3 4 the 12, 4 2 the 8, 12 1 the 12, 1 into 13, 13, 8 minus 13. Then it is minus 5 by 36, v is equal to minus 5 by 12. Minus cancels on both sides and we get v is equal to 5 by 12 into 36 by 5. From here we got v is equal to 5 by 12 into 36 will go in the numerator and 5 will go in the denominator. 5 by 12 into 36 by 5, 5 cancels it, 12 3 is 36, v is equal to 3. Now put this value of v in equation number 1, that was half u plus 1 by 3v is equal to 2. Half u plus 1 by 3v means 3 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2. 3 cancels. Half u plus 1 is equal to 2. Half u is equal to 2 minus 1. 1 we take on the right side. Half u is equal to 1. U is equal to 1 into 2. 2 goes into the numerator. U is equal to 2. Now u was equal to 1 by x. Therefore u is equal to 2 means 1 by x is equal to 2 means x is equal to 1 by 2. We have taken the reciprocal of x of 1 by x, we get x, and the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Then we get from here x is equal to 1 by 2. It can also be done in this way, that if we cross multiply this, x goes on this side, 2 comes on this side, then x is equal to 1 by 2. V is equal to 1 by y is equal to 3. From here we get y is equal to 1 by 3. Now the next question is question number, first question, second part. It is given 2 by square root x plus 3 by square root y is equal to 2. 4 by square root x minus 9 by square root y is equal to 1. For this, to solve these two equations, we consider 1 by square root x is equal to u and 1 by square root y is equal to v. Then we get the equations 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now we are again solving these two equations by elimination method. We multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 1. We get 4u plus 6v is equal to 4. On solving these two by subtraction, we get 15v is equal to 5. From here we get the value of v. V is equal to 1 by 3. But v was equal to 1 by square root y. Therefore 1 by square root y is equal to 1 by 3. From here we get square root y is equal to 3. Square root y is equal to 3. Now squaring both sides, because we have to find the value of y. Square root y whole square is equal to 3 square. Y is equal to 9. From here we get the value of y. Now put v is equal to 1 by 3. We got the value of v here. V is equal to 1 by 3. We will put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 was this: 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. 2u plus 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 2u is equal to 2 minus 1. Here we will get 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. U is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by square root x is equal to 1 by 2. And square root x is 2. By squaring both sides, we get x is equal to 2. Square is equal to 4. Therefore, our answer is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. And y is equal to 9. This is the answer. Then the next question is, first question, third part. It is 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14. 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. For this, we will consider 1 by x is equal to u, and because y is in its original form, then we are not to consider y in v. We are considering only 1 by x is equal to u. Then we get the equations: 4u plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Now we will solve these two equations to get the value of x. From here we get the value of x. These are the two equations. By elimination method, I am solving this. I multiply the first equation by 4 and second equation by 3 so that I get the values of u in both of the equations same. I multiply the first equation by 4 and second equation by 3, because here 4 is, here is 4 and here is 3 and here is 3 and here is 4. Therefore, we will get the values of y in both of the equations equal. But I could also do by equating u also. U could also be brought equal by multiplying this equation by 3 and this equation by 4. But here I have done that I have multiplied equation number 1 by 4 and the equation number 2 by 3. Now by solving this, I get 16u plus 12y is equal to 56. 9u minus 12y is equal to 69. Now solving this, y cancellizes and I get the value of u. U is equal to 5. U was equal to 1 upon x. Therefore 1 by x is 5 and x is 1 by 5. From here I get the value of x. Now x is 1 by 5. U is 5. Now put the value of u in equation number 1. 4u plus 3y is equal to 14. 4 into 5 plus 3y is equal to 14. 20 plus 3y is equal to 14. From here I get the value of y. Y is minus 2. X is 1 by 5. This is the answer. Now I come to the next question. Question number 1, fourth part. It is 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. For this, for the purpose of solving these two equations, we will put 1 upon x minus y 1. We will put 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Then from here we get the equation 5u plus v is equal to 2 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now multiplying the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 1, I equate these two equations and cancelize v and I get the value of u from here. It is u becomes equal to 1 by 3. Now u was equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Therefore, we put the value of u as 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 and then cross multiply. Then it becomes 3 is equal to x minus 1, or we can say that x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then I bring 1 on the right side, then x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, means x is equal to 4. Now u is equal to 1 by 3 in 1. We are putting the value of u in equation number 1. From here we get the value of v. V becomes equal to 1 by 3 and v was equal to 1 upon y minus 2. Again cross multiplying the equations, we get y minus 2 is equal to 3 or y minus 2 is equal to 3 or y is equal to 3 plus 2. 2 goes on the right side. Then y is equal to 5 and x is equal to 4. This is the answer. Then the next question is, first question, fifth part. It is 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. These two equations are given and we have to find the values of x and y. First we will separate the terms in first part of the equation. Means we can write it like this: 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy. Then we have written 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Then cancellizing x and here we cancelize the y, we get 7 by y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. Similarly, we separate the terms here also. It becomes 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. 8x upon xy, we cancelize x and here we cancelize y. We get 8 upon y plus 7 upon x is equal to 15. Now we get these two equations. This is the equation number 1 and this one is the equation number 2. Now we put again 1 by y is equal to u and 1 by x is equal to v, and then we solve the equations for u and v. We get u is equal to 1 by elimination method and u is equal to 1. From here we get y is equal to 1. Put the value of u is equal to 1 in equation number 3. Equation number 3 was this: 7u minus 2v is equal to 5. From here we get the value of v. V was equal to 1 upon x and x is equal to 1. From here we get the answer: x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Then the next question is, first question, sixth part. The equations are given: 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Now we will bring xy on the left side. If I bring xy on left side, then it will become 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6. I can say that I am bringing xy on left side, or I can say that I am dividing the whole equation by xy. The whole equation by xy. Then also I will get the same result. 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. Xy will cancel here and we will get 6. And here x cancellizes and here y cancellizes. Similarly, in this term also x cancelize and y cancelize, and we get these two equations: 6 upon y plus 3 upon x is equal to 6 and 2 upon y plus 4 upon x, 2 upon y plus 4 upon x is equal to 5. Now we have to solve these equations as we have done before. This is the exercise for you students to do, and you are to find the values of x and y. I am going to the next question. Question number 1, seventh part. It is 10 upon x plus y is equal to 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4 and 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. For to solve these equations, we will put 1 upon x plus y is equal to u and 1 upon x minus y is equal to v. We are considering these as u and v to make the question easy. Then it becomes 10u plus 2v is equal to 4 and 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Then we will solve with these equations by elimination method and we get the value of u. U is 1 by 5, but u was equal to 1 upon x plus y and it was before we had considered that 1 upon x plus y is equal to u. Then from here also we get 1 upon x plus y is equal to u is equal to 1 by 5. By cross multiplying we get 5 is equal to x plus y. Now put the value of u 1 by 5 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 was 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. We are putting the value of u and we get the value of v from here, it is 1. Then we get 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1, and x minus by cross multiplying x minus y is equal to 1. Now again we have got two equations in x and y. First is x plus y is equal to 5. I have given the name to this equation as equation number 3. And the other equation I get is x minus y is equal to 1, and I have given the name to this equation as equation number 4. Now we are to solve these two equations by elimination method to find the values of x and y. Y cancellizes to x is equal to 6, x is equal to 3. Put the value of x in equation number 3. We get the value of y is equal to 2. X is 3 and y is equal to 2. This is the answer. Then the next question is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4, and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Again we are to find the values of x and y. For it will be clear to all of you that we will put 1 upon 3x plus y as u and 1 upon 3x minus y as v. Then we will get two equations, this and this. Then we get two equations, u plus v is equal to 3 by 4 and half of u minus half of v is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now here I am getting u plus v is equal to 3 by 4. To make it more easier, I will multiply the whole equation by 4 to cancelize 4, or I can say that I am bringing 4 on the left hand side, then it will get multiplied by u and v, and I get the equation 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. And also to make this equation easy, I am bringing 8 on left hand side, means it will get cross multiplied on the left hand side, then 8 will go in the numerator. 8 upon 2 is 2 4s are 8 and I get here 4u. Then again 8 upon 2 4s are 8, I get here 4v. Then 4u minus 4v is equal to minus 1 because 8 is gone on the left side. Now solving these two equations, I get the value of u. U is equal to 1 by 4. Again I have used the elimination method to solve these equations. U is equal to 1 by 4. Now put the value of u in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. And from here I get the value of v is equal to 1 by 2. Now I have got the values of u. U is 1 by 4 and v is 1 by 2. But u was equal to 1 upon 3x plus y. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 by 4, and from by cross multiplying I get 3x plus y is equal to 4. Similarly 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to v is equal to 1 by 2. By cross multiplying I get the equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. Again by solving using elimination method to solve these two equations, I get x is equal to 1. By putting the value I get y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is the answer for it. Now your homework is to do all these questions that we have done now in your notebook. Now you are to do all of these questions that we have done now in your notebook. It is exercise